Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen for a fun Halloween special. Today we are making jack-o'-lantern orange floats, and we're gonna be doing a blood orange float. It's really simple, just a few ingredients. Let's give this a go. So to start, we're going to be doing 3 pumps of our blood orange beverage infusion. So I'm gonna make my soda water here. If you have soda water, just go ahead and pour it right into it. And I'm gonna make mine extra bubbly. And add this to our beverage infusion. You don't have to mix, just simply add water. And that will mix everything that you need. And to this, I'm gonna add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You could do a spiced ice cream if you want to. It would taste good with this flavor profile. I'm just going with the traditional float vanilla. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a little swirl. I like doing this because when you put it in the cup, it's like extra bubbly and foamy and fun, and I just think it looks really cool. And there you go. Those are our jack-o'-lantern blood orange soda floats. Oh, it's so good. It tastes like a creamsicle, but with something a little more interesting to it. So there you have it, our blood orange jack-o'-lantern floats. I hope you get to try this fun and easy recipe at home. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. We're doing a whole fun Halloween series. You can also share your recipes or trying these drinks on our social media channel at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Have a good one. Happy Halloween. Bye.